In this video, I will show you how to watch game videos on YouTube app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Open up your YouTube app. And for you to have access to gaming video on YouTube app, next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on here. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on gaming right here. So here you go. You have access to all gaming channel on YouTube app right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different dedicated gaming channel right here. You can watch as many as possible different gaming channel without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use YouTube app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.